to my YouTube channel again after a lot of days. I know it's been a while since I posted any new vlog. It's been around 7 days. The reason was because I was in Delhi. Few offs that I had in between, I think almost around 5 to 7 offs. So I went to my home as it was an occasion of Eid, which is very precious to all of my community or people, Muslim people. So I went to my home and I thought of spending it there than spending it alone here, because my flatmate also went to Mumbai to celebrate Eid with her family. So let's talk about when I came back. So I came back yesterday with 2 bags. One was completely filled with groceries and my clothes and stuff, because Hong Kong is a bit expensive. So I thought, when I can grab some things from my home, then why to buy it from here, Hong Kong? So I went to my home, celebrated Eid with my family and everyone. It was lovely. And then I came back here. After coming back here, I slept. So let's talk about what I am going to do in this vlog. So today it's almost around 4. It's almost around 4 and I have the departure around 6:05. Duty start around 6:05 and then departure is around 8:10. So I am doing Hong Kong, Taipei, Osaka, and then in Osaka I have a layover of 1 day, and after that 1 day I am again doing Osaka, Taipei, and then Taipei, Hong Kong. So back to my pavilion after almost 2 days. So that is the pattern that I am about to do. This vlog is about Osaka layover. So I am going to explore Osaka and I'll show you what I'm going to do and what all I am going to buy from Japan, because Japan is quite cheap than Hong Kong. But I'm not going to overshop this time. So I will be very careful about that. Until then, take care of yourself, love yourself, and then I'll see you again very, very soon. The Cathay city, and here I am having coffee because it's all empty. Nobody is here, not even a single person. So I came early because it's always better to be early than to be late. And even though I am living in Tuen Mun, so the traveling time is a lot. It's like 1 hour something, 1 hour 15 to 20 minutes. So today, because it's an very early morning flight, so we get taxi from the company. So I arrived Cathay City by taxi, and now I am waiting because it's 5:30. So I'm waiting for the baggage collection department to open, because it opens up around 6:30. So I'm waiting for that, and after that I'll head for my flight. Hello guys, so finally landed in Osaka, and then now we are going back to our hotel after getting our bags from the baggage claim, and then approximately it will take us around 1 hour to reach hotel, and then I'll go out.
going towards, we are going towards Shinsaibashi. So
Yeah.
it's a very famous place in Osaka. So,
So
we're gonna walk there instead of taking the subway.
Yeah, because it's approximately 15 minutes ahead of our hotel. Yeah.
Yes.
So we are going there to eat and to shop a lot because, as I told you earlier also, Japan is quite cheap than Hong Kong. So let us head there and then we'll see you. Bye bye. Hello again.
She
So
finally found her sandwich.
fruit sandwich. Yes.
Shoulder sandwich.
Oh wow! Like after I think 3 months, I found this one. So we tried some ice cream. I do not have any kind of idea about that. So this one, we bought it. And this was her recommendation because I had no idea about what we were supposed to do or what we were going to do. So here we are in a mall where we got nothing but experience of eating ice cream in a cup, and that was very cool, extremely cool. So
We're
now
trying to find other things to buy, but
yeah,
not
we
yet.
are trying. We are
Not
trying
yet.
our best. Like before, you know about my honey layover. So we are trying our best, but let's see what is supposed to happen will happen. How much we'll end up spending, and how much we'll end up saving. So stay tuned.
Bye.
So finally done with the shopping. Have bought some things from Daiso. And after that we're here at a cosmetic store. Even though I do not need to buy anything, but my friends, they're looking for something to buy. Here I am just walking, exploring because I have nothing to buy. I do not need anything. So this was the vlog up until now, and if you like this video, do share my video, subscribe my channel, like, comment, and I will see you in another vlog of Dubai. Bye bye.